So that's the road being constructed behind me. This road construction is going to be very massive and it's going to ease the traffic here. This is from Nsawam to Pokwasi or Fanko, and as you see, there's a lot of go-slow over here. But with the way the construction is ongoing, it's my wish. So I think after everything, the traffic will be so much less over here, or there wouldn't be even any traffic. You can see from the other side. Because of the road construction, you can see business ongoing here. Where I'm standing currently is called Mid-Year. Mid-Year is in the Greater Accra region, and it's on the Accra Nsawam road. So that's it. Because of this road construction, drivers are making a fortune out of passengers. You will know how they do this after I've spoken to someone who plies the route often. Stay tuned. So I have someone here who will be sharing her experience with us when she traveled from Accra to Nsawam. Madam, you're welcome to Picabolo TV GH.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we want you to share your experience with us, the sufferings you went through when you wanted to travel from Accra to Nsawam.
Let me take you back to 23rd December when I had come from Tema to Accra, and then from then to visit my folks in Nsawam. After buying all that I needed, I decided to journey on to Nsawam. I went to the Tudu station where I could get a car to Nsawam. I stood there for hours, more than 2 hours.
You couldn't get a
I
vehicle.
couldn't get any vehicle to Nsawam. They were picking from that place to Amasama. From then, I would pick to Nsawam. I was hoping to get an Nsawam vehicle, but nothing of such happened.
So how did you do it?
Later, to pick to Pokwasi.
Okay.
And then
to Pokwasi.
Getting another car from Pokwasi to Nsawam was another headache. I had to stay there for so long. Family members were worried at home, thinking I've got lost or something. But with time, I got one and then got home safely. From Accra to Pokwasi, they took 10 cedis.
Okay.
And the journey I made yesterday was also the same. We had to stand there hoping for Nsawam vehicle.
Okay, so yesterday's date was 2nd March 2024. Okay.
We had to be there for long. We even met people there before we joined them. Okay. There were some people there waiting for Nsawam vehicle. Oh, we were distressed for being there for long. All we had to do was to go back to pick an Amasama bound car. 10 cedis to Amasama.
Which is far expensive.
Expensive. An Nsawam bound car would take 13 cedis, 50 pesos.
Okay.
So we paid 13. We got to Amasama. But before getting there, others were asking the driver if he will continue to Nsawam. But because of him taking more than expected, he said he wouldn't go. I got down, I alighted from the car
at
Amasaman. Walked a few distance to a place and then waiting for the Nsawam car to pick me. Lo and behold, I saw the same vehicle which picked us from Accra.
Loading for
Nsawam. So I asked him, driver, you said you won't go to Nsawam. Why are you now picking Nsawam? And if you knew you would go, you shouldn't have asked us to alight. He said he didn't know he would go. So all I had to do was to board it and then move ahead to Nsawam.
Okay, so in all, how much did you spend from Accra to
16
Nsawam?
cedis.
16 cedis.
Yeah,
But
he
the
took
usual
6 cedis, 13 cedis, 50 pesos.
Okay, so in all, you said you spent 16 cedis. But the normal vehicle that would have brought you straight from Accra to Nsawam would have charged how much?
13 cedis,
13
50
cedis.
pesos.
So it means you paid 3 cedis more than the necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for allowing us to speak with you.
Thank you too. I hope things will change for the better if the road is constructed in due time.
Okay, thank you.
So that was someone who uses this route often, and she did not want her face to show, so I had to keep her face away. But there are so many other people who are facing these same challenges when they have to travel to Accra and work and then have to come back to Nsawam. And it is even worse when it gets to evening time. As I am speaking with you, I'm at Nsawam now and can tell you that whatever these people are facing isn't easy. You close from work at night or in the evening and you reach home at night because you cannot find an Nsawam vehicle to bring you back home. And this is the challenge. There are even no policemen on the way for you to report these drivers to. They are just extorting money from the passengers, and what they need to do for these passengers to reach their destinations are not being done, because they tell you we will take you to Nsawam, but will never take you to Nsawam. They will leave you on the way somewhere and will start loading Nsawam again because they've already charged you exorbitant prices, and then they will charge you again the second time before taking you to Nsawam, which is really very, very bad. And I pray that this road is completed as soon as possible for these drivers not to get any chance to cheat these passengers any longer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.